You just enjoyed a delicious spaghetti dinner complete with garlic bread and maybe a crisp salad. Feeling satisfied, you sit back and then bam, you turn around and see the mountain of dirty dishes. Now, if you're living in a cozy apartment, a rental, or basically anywhere that doesn't come with a full-size built-in dishwasher, that mountain of dishes can feel like a personal attack. So naturally, you start Googling portable dishes versus countertop dishwashers because let's be real, you're not about to hand wash every single plate for the rest of your adult life. Well, let's figure out which option makes the most sense for you. So first off, what's the difference? A portable dishwasher is like a full-size dishwasher but with wheels. It doesn't need to be permanently installed. You roll it over to the sink, hook it up, run it, then roll it back into the corner like it's a well-trained pet. Usually, these are 18 to 24 inches wide. That's a decent load size. Now for a countertop dishwasher, this is way smaller, like sit on your countertop small. Think toaster oven, but it cleans forks. Great for singles, couples, or anyone who's cool with running a load more often. That's the gist of it. Both wash dishes. One's bigger and rolls around, the other is smaller and parks itself right next to your toaster. Alright, if your kitchen has the same square footage as a shoebox, space is gonna be your biggest concern. Portable dishwashers are larger, you will need floor space and easy access to your sink. And you can't store it in a closet and expect it to roll out like a transformer. You need a few feet of clearance. But countertop dishwashers, these are friendlier in tight spaces. They take up about the same amount of room as a big microwave or air fryer. You will lose some counter space, sure, but it's a decent trade-off if it means no more scrubbing plates at midnight. And if you're in a rental where you can't make any permanent changes, neither of these will break the rules. But the countertop one definitely wins when it comes to small space survival. Let's talk about capacity, because let's be honest, it's not much help having a dishwasher if you still end up hand washing half the load. Portable dishwashers usually give you a bit more breathing room. Most can handle around 10 to 12 place settings, which is just a way of saying they can take care of a full day's worth of dishes for a couple of people. You can usually fit in your plates, bowls, glasses, cutlery, and maybe even a pot or two. It's not industrial sized, but it covers everyday cooking pretty well, especially if you cook more than once a day or have a couple of people sharing the space. Countertop dishwashers, on the other hand, are definitely smaller. Most handle around 4 to 6 place settings, which is fine for 1 or 2 people doing light to moderate cooking. You won't get a stock pot in there, and big cutting boards or baking trays will probably still need to go in the sink. But for regular dishes like plates, mugs, and silverware, it works. Here's the part people really want to know. Do they actually clean well? Short answer, yes. Long answer, it depends on your mess. Portable dishwashers clean dishes surprisingly well. Most have multiple wash cycles, dry functions, and can fit a day or two's worth of dishes depending on how much you cook. They can even handle pots and pans. Countertop dishwashers do a solid job too, especially for their size. But they're best for everyday dishes, plates, bowls, forks, mugs. You won't squeeze a full-size frying pan in there without playing some serious Tetris. And even then, it's probably a no. In both cases, you will still need to scrape off big food bits. No dishwasher likes chunky leftovers, but overall, cleaning power is more than decent. Now, there's another concern to consider. How much water and energy these dishwashers actually use. Portable dishwashers use about 3 to 5 gallons of water per cycle. That's pretty efficient compared to hand washing. Seriously, the average hand wash session can burn through 20 gallons. Wild, right? Countertop models, even thriftier. Many use just 2 gallons or less. Plus, they tend to use less electricity. So if you're eco-conscious and budget-conscious, countertop wins this round. But if you find yourself running it twice a day because it's so small, then guess what? That efficiency goes out the window faster than your leftovers. Both types are made for people who just want clean dishes without hiring someone or opening up walls. With a portable dishwasher, you usually get a faucet adapter. You screw it onto your kitchen tap, click in the hose, and hit start. Same for most countertop models that connect to the faucet. But here is where the countertop version gets an extra point. Some of them have built-in water tanks. That means no hose, no faucet. You fill it up with a pitcher or bottle, press go, and relax. Perfect if your kitchen faucet is one of those fancy ones that doesn't play well with adapters. Portables are heavier and not something you want to drag around every day. But once it's set up, it's a breeze. Countertops are plug-and-play simple. Just remember, they're not invisible. If you hate clutter or have super limited counter space, you will need to commit to making it work. Yes, the wallet question. So how much are we spending here? Portable dishwashers usually cost anywhere from $400 to $700. Higher-end models can go over that, especially if they have extra cycles, stainless interiors, or quieter motors. Countertop dishwashers tend to land between $200 and $400. Some of the fancier models, like the ones with water tanks or glass doors, might cost a bit more, but still less than portables. Neither option requires installation fees or any serious maintenance. It's a one-time purchase, and unless you're running them 5 times a day, they're both budget-friendly over time. If you're short on cash but still tired of washing dishes by hand, a countertop model is the most affordable way to upgrade your kitchen without breaking anything, including your lease. Okay, decision time. Which actually should you get? If you live in a small apartment, have limited counter space, and mostly cook for 1 or 2 people, the countertop dishwasher will probably fit your life best. It's simple, small, and gets the job done, especially if you're renting or planning to move soon. But if you've got the room, cook regularly, and don't want to run the dishwasher every single day, a portable one gives you that extra capacity without needing to install anything. Honestly, it just comes down to how many dishes you make and how much space you're willing to give up to make your life easier. So that's all for our video about portable dishwasher and countertop dishwasher. Got questions? Or maybe you've tried both and have your own take? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.